Hi ladies and gentlemen, today I will show you how I receive my packages with oil from the German site Auto24. I already removed the oils because they are heavy and the box was torn apart. But as you can see, they put good foam inside. They also put a lot of tape. Here we have some signature which shows you something in a language which I don't understand. Packaging is good, but the boxes are thin, and sometimes if you, for example, I hit around 30 liters of oil, and the packages doesn't last the box itself. So I will show you in a moment what products I owned. Also on the bottom box is also torn apart, as you can see, and slightly damaged. So what I like and what I don't like. I like that they give you this label to put in your car or your filter, but I ordered a lot of oil, around 25-30 liters, and they only give me one label, and the labels are cheap, which I don't figure it out. I mean, they can spend more labels. Also, what else? So this is cheap label, which they gave me only once, which I'm not happy. Sometimes even they miss even this one. I remember last time I ordered it for 500 or 600 air rolls, and they even gave me a label. No discounts for future orders. Today they give me this amsoil brochure, which I like. I mean, I'm a big fan of amsoil. This is for motorcycle oil only. Keep your power sports equipment protected too. You take care of your daily driver. Synthetic between motorcycle oil resist viscosity breakdown 6 times better than Harley Davidson Syn 3 for improved protection against compensator and transmission gear wear. Resist extreme heat. Convenience of one lubricant for all three sums. Synthetic metric motorcycle oil, premium wear protection, smooth confident shifts, cool clean performance. Synthetic ATV UTV motor oil protects for demanding chores and terrain, delivers consistent clutch feel, superior weather performance, wet clutch compatible. Synthetic two-stroke injector oil, ideal for outboard motors and snowmobiles, protects against rust and wear, controls deposits. I really like amsoil. I use it for my cars. So actually I have several cars, which is quite, let's say, expensive to maintain, but I trust amsoil because I don't have any oil usage, which is quite unusual. With other brands I have oil usage. So here we have more amsoil products. For example, I use this one. It's additive PI. They have some great products. Too bad they doesn't have good pricing in Europe. More great amsoil automotive products. Here we have PI performance improved gasoline additive, restores up to 40% horsepower, reduces need of costly higher octane fuel. Fuel is very expensive, as you know, at least in my country. Reduces noise for carbon cap and pre-ignition, controls pre-ignition, clock signature, starts synthetic automatic transmission fluid. So I used the first one, PI, but I really don't notice anything because the car had clogged catalytic converter. So maybe if your car is in better state, it will be noticed. So signatures there, synthetic automatic transmission fluid, protects against thermal breakdown, arsenic wear protection, cold temperature fluidity, .3.4, synthetic brake fluid, maximum best interaction control performance, covers a broad range of application, protects against rust and corrosion, help reduce operation temperature. Oil filters, again, I never use it because they are not available in Europe. Extremely hard to find, excellent protection against engine wear, increase efficiency and capacity, long filter life. Multi-vehicle synthetic power steering fluid, excellent high temperature protection and low temperature performance. Strong anti-wear protection resists heat for long fluid life. Antifreeze in engine coolant, maximum protection for extreme temperature and operation conditions. Severe gear, synthetic gear loop, high fumes range for high load demand, reduces friction, provides the ultimate against wear, durable, easy pack, makes the job cleaner and faster. So basically, I use it from this only PA performance, and I was not impressed, but I like the oils. So let's go to the oils. So what I ordered today, as you can see, my storage box is absolutely full. So I ordered several tubes of amsoil oil because they give me discount when I order more. I think 4 is the minimum in order to achieve the discount. If you order more, they don't care, but 4 is the absolute minimum. So what I use for my older and my new vehicle, this is what I use. Amsoil Signature Series synthetic motor oils, 100% 505W30. I think that you should change it each year. I never go to 25 miles. So I personally drive between 10,000 kilometers or 5,000 miles because fuels are very expensive here. The interesting thing about this is devoted to protection, engineered for enthusiasm seeking maximum protection and performance, precision formulated with cutting-edge technology and long-standing devotion to making the world's best motor oil. The result engine fashion that blows the door off and highest industry standard. Tested by professional engine builders, 50% more cleaning power, ideal for turbos, direct injection, guaranteed pressure for up to 2,500 miles or 1 year. APSN, if you have Japanese or other vehicle, it's great. EOSAC 6, formulated, blended and packaged in the USA, which I like. Here we have Ajay Amotusio said the standard AMSO founder Ajay Amotusio built the company on the same principle that defined his career as a jet fighter squadron commander: excellence, integrity, and strong leadership, armed with the knowledge that every jet engine in the world could survive only with synthetic oil. Amotusio reasoned that the same performance benefits could be applied to vehicles with different people dependent every day. Then modern oils were of poor quality, and Amotusio wanted to give consumers a better choice. He wanted to do something for the little guy, but an expensive price. In 1972, the breakthrough came. He set all new standards with his introduction of the world first happy qualified synthetic motor oil. AMSO Signature Series embodied his vision. Probably Ajay Tomosu Signature delivered industry-leading protection. Except no substitute, AMSO is the first in synthetics. Gasoline engine service interval, normal service up to 25,000 miles, 700 hours of preparation, or once per year, whichever comes first. In personal vehicle, not redundant severe service. I personally change my oil each year, and I try to tend it around 10,000 kilometers or 5,000 miles. Severe service up to 550,000 miles, 700 hours of operation, once or whenever comes first. Severe service condition include commercial fleet vehicles, excessive idling, frequent towing, hauling, plowing, or driving in dusty conditions. I also don't drive in, I drive in normal conditions. Modified engine, non-stock racing vehicles. My vehicle is one of them, is CNG propane. Using the alternative are excluded from estimated drain interval recommendation. Change at the vehicle manufacturer recommended drain interval outside USA and Canada, which I am. AMSO oil filters are designed for extended drain intervals, do not exceed 12,000 miles or once per year. Other brands filters unless longer intervals are recommended for the vehicle manufacturer. Always change the fuel, change oil. Check oil regularly to maintain proper fuel levels. Okay, AMSO superior, blah blah blah. So okay, I really like it. I mean, it's quite expensive. So AMSO oil I use on my, let's say, 10 years old car, and my other, which is expensive. I will start using it now because before that I have other oil, because I don't have time to order AMSOIL. And for my older car, which I invested a lot of money for restoration, I also use AMSOIL. But for my other car, which is in not very good state. I use less expensive oil. This is what I use. I personally use Petrol Canada, but it's not available into the moment. Sometimes it's cheaper, sometimes it's not. This is what I use right now. This is lower quality oil. It's made by Honda in the United States of America. It's Honda synthetic blend 5030 motor oil, advanced protection, Honda General for gasoline engines. The thing is, this is hydro-cracked oil, so this is mixed between full and not full synthetic. This is called synthetic blend motor oil. So I have not yet tested if my car eats this, but with AMSO I don't have any issues, even with my more expensive cars. But this one again, this is much cheaper oil, very cheap, I can say. So I was also considering Kraken of another brands, but I decided in the end to go with the proven option, which I like. So I decided to go with AMSO. This is an all-season synthetic blade and oil that provides optimum engine protection, surpasses Honda vehicle requirements, no further minimized. You can use this in all Japanese or non-Japanese cars. Meets the 6 APS-CP certification or USAC GFP, Honda General Motor, and tested by approved. Blah blah blah. I really don't know who created this. I guess maybe in a mobile or some other brand. It's cheap. You can use this in old vehicle, which is cheap as well. I also have Liqui Moly here. Let me show you. Let me try to pull one tube. It's quite expensive. I mean, it's cheaper compared to amsoil, but it's expensive for me. I have not yet used this 0W40. I don't have suitable car. The last one was sold, so I end up with this one. So it's probably a good oil, but I don't have vehicle to put it anymore. So I also don't have place to sell this, so for now it's sitting. And here, as you can see, it have some. Let me just get the smaller tube because I don't like big tubes. I like the color, by the way. Here is the smaller one. They have a lot of awards: Auto Build, this, Auto Sport, Auto Top Market. So this is good for economy. This is reducing the frictions and a lot of deposits, stable lubrication. I think it's good oil, but again, I don't have vehicle to put it, which is quite shame. I really wanted to use this so I can free up some space, because as you can see here, I am really clogged up. I don't have any space to breathe here. Everything is full with oils. So that was it from me from today. If you like my videos, keep watching and share, subscribe, and remember, cars are expensive, brand new or used, if they are in decent shape. In order to increase their value in their life, you should change your oil at maximum 5,000 miles or 10,000 kilometers. That's the maximum. Depends how you drive. If you drive severe, it can be even less. And always use good quality oil. It can be AMSO, it can be other brand. I'm not sponsored by any company, neither by Atto or AMSO, Moto, Mobile, Liqui, Honda, or whatever. So if you want to have a long-lasting car, just remember, regular maintenance is the key. And oil is one of the, let's say, liquid of the heart of the vehicle. So enjoy my videos, keep watching and sharing, subscribe, and till next time.